How to log in Bank of America online banking accounts. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get signed into your Bank of America account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of a web browser. At the top search bar, simply type in www.bankofamerica.com. As you do so, you will land onto this site. On your left hand side, you will see this box that says user ID and password. Simply type in your user ID and your password. Once done, go ahead and click on to login. In case you would like this site to remember your user ID, then check the box that says save user ID. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click the link below and get help resetting your account. And if you don't have a Bank of America account, you can create one yourself by clicking on to open an account at the box below. For that, you have to scroll below and click onto any account that you would like to open and follow the on-screen prompt to get started. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.